Good morning, Isla.
Hello.
What are you guys doing?
We're driving the car.
That's pretty cool. Did we just have breakfast? Did we ride our bikes to breakfast at Pendl's Bakery? No, we didn't? I thought we did. I thought for sure. You guys gonna drive? Where are you gonna drive to?
We're driving to Nicaragua.
Really? You really like Nicaragua, don't you? Good job, Isla. Getting up there all by yourself. That's pretty fun. Dad's down there cleaning up our table that we ate at. Say hi, Dad. What are we gonna do now?
Bike to Victor.
Yeah. I just found out about a cool aquatic center in Jackson we need to check out.
Oh, okay.
That's where that family was headed.
Oh, cool.
They apparently have a little splash park play area for kiddos.
Nice. In Jackson.
Yeah. Sounds good, right? Alright, let's skedaddle. Biking between Driggs and Victor.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty sights, for sure. See the Tetons over there a little bit. Got a teepee over here. Oh, that's the new Learning Academy building.
Oh, okay.
That's a school we're gonna check out. One of them. They have a teepee. That's a good sign. Everyone needs a teepee. Hey, honey.
Hi. Nothing like a little bike ride in the hail to refresh you after a long day.
Yeah. So we literally just rode 5 miles in hail and rain. This is the softest of the rain going on right now. Not sure if you can see it. The main thing was we had 1/4-inch hail. And I looked at Tyler and said, "This rain hurts." And he goes, "It's 'cause it's hail." So that was really exciting. Note to the Driggs Victor bike path. Can you just add one shelter anywhere? That's all I'm asking. Just one. It really was fun. And luckily the kids are perfectly dry in their co-pilot. They didn't even get hail. They're both smiling. You can't see them though. Fun stuff. What are we doing, Graham? How many times in our videos am I gonna ask what are we doing?
I like how Isla's in the background, something on the
Don't do that. Chopstick music. We ordered takeout.
I got all dressed up.
I have the hiccups.
I have no hiccups.
No hiccups?
Best drink in the world. Thai iced tea.
Yes, drinking away water.
Good. You are right. Can you show me some chopstick music?
No.
Do you have fun on our bike ride? Did you know we got hailed on? Yeah, you didn't know because you guys were asleep.
You shook it.
You shook it. Night night.
No. Nana. Rack.